How to create calendar entries in Horde. This tutorial assumes you've already logged in to Horde webmail. Now let's learn how to create calendar entries. Click the calendar icon here. This is the calendar. We can view the calendar in day, week, month, or year format. We're currently in month format. We can add a new event by clicking on the plus icon next to the day, or by clicking New Event here. Enter a title for the new event here. Then enter a location for the event. You can optionally set the start and end date of the event here. Enter a description here. If you want to set this event up to recur every so often, you would do that here. When finished, click Save Event. That's it! The new event has been created and can be seen here. You can edit the event at any time by clicking the pencil icon next to the event. Or you can delete the event by clicking the red X icon. Click Delete. The event we had created has now been deleted. Click here to return to the main page. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to create calendar entries in Horde.